Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Humanity Protocol airdrop. Now Humanity Protocol is a blockchain based on the Polygon ZK EVM, and in order to farm this airdrop you will need a MetaMask wallet. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link in the description, which will give you the highest tier of rewards which are up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. And once you create an account on Bybit, you would be getting exclusive access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now you can go ahead and download MetaMask wallet on your Chrome browser and set it up. If you are new to airdrop farming, if you already have a MetaMask wallet, then it's perfectly fine. Now the next thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and create an account on Humanity Protocol dashboard. Now all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. So as you can see, I have already created an account over here. Now they have this blockchain explorer, bridge and faucet. Now in order to farm the Humanity Protocol airdrop, you will need Sefolia Ethereum and as well as Humanity Protocol testnet tokens. So you can go ahead and create an account on Alchemy and on the top select Ethereum Sefolia. Now head to MetaMask wallet and copy your wallet address and paste it over here and click on send me ETH. Or alternatively, you can mine 2.5 ETH every day using this faucet. So once again, go back to MetaMask wallet, copy your MetaMask wallet address, paste it over here, click on I am not robot and click on start mining. Within 14 to 15 minutes, 2.5 Sefolia testnet ETH would be mined on your MetaMask wallet. Now the next thing would be to go ahead and connect the Humanity Protocol testnet to your MetaMask wallet. So simply go to this link over here and click on add to MetaMask. Now if I go to my MetaMask wallet and show it to you, as you can see, I've already added this HP testnet to the MetaMask wallet. Now once you do that, simply head to Humanity Protocol faucet and request for some THP testnet tokens. So once again, go back to MetaMask wallet, copy your address over here, paste it over here and click on request. Now at times you might face some issues with regards to claiming the testnet tokens. The reason being there is some bug on this faucet, so you will need to keep trying until you get these testnet tokens. Now the next thing is you will have to bridge in between different chains. So you can basically bridge from Humanity Protocol testnet to Sefolia. So as you can see, I have Ether as well as THP tokens. Now let's say if you want to bridge like 0.1 THP, then simply put in 0.1 THP and click on continue. Within 5 minutes, this transaction would be completed. And alternatively, you can also bridge from Sefolia to testnet. Now you can do 4 to 5 transactions a week. Don't spam it too much, else your wallet would be marked as Sibyl and you might potentially not qualify for the airdrop. Now once you complete all the steps, simply head back to MetaMask wallet again, copy your MetaMask wallet address and join the Discord. Now I have already joined the Discord. So head to Discord and go to wallet submission over here and click on submit. Now wait for the interface to load and simply go ahead and paste your MetaMask wallet address and click on submit. So these are all the steps that you can currently do in order to farm the Humanity Protocol airdrop. And I forgot to mention one thing, that they have managed to raise overall funding of around 30 million US dollars, which is a decent funding. So this is all for this video with regards to the Humanity Protocol airdrop farming. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.